Hello children of Standard 5. We learned chapter 17, Shakuntala. We have seen in part 5 that Shakuntala goes to palace to meet the king and king refuses to recognize her. He asked her, "Who are you?" And she was so shocked hearing that. She says, King asked her, "Who are you?" asked the king. Shakuntala was shocked. "I am Shakuntala, your wife. Do you not remember me? We were married a few months ago at Sage Kanwa's hermitage." She replied. So she said, "I am Shakuntala, your wife. We were married few months ago in Sage Kanwa's place. I am his daughter and you got married with me there." "Married?" asked the king, surprised. "I have no wife. Would I have forgotten my own wife? I do not even know you." So he said, "My wife, how can I forget? I am not married. If I was married, my wife could have been with me. How can I forget her?" Shakuntala tried to remind the king about the hermitage and of the time he had spent there, but the king remembered nothing. Now Shakuntala tried all the days they were staying in the forest, that all event she was narrating to him and telling one by one, but he was not at all able to remember. King Dushyant could not remember really he had married her, or whatever she is saying, it was truth. He could not know, and he said, "No, I am not married you. I don't know you. Who are you? From where you are coming? Go away." Ordered an angry Dushyanta. Now he was tired of listening her. He got angry and he told her, "Go away. You are either lying or you are mad." So he said, "You are either a liar or you are a mad person. Otherwise you will not come and tell king that you are my husband. I am your wife. You have married me." Shakuntala was deeply hurt. This made Shakuntala very painful. She was hurt very badly. She could not help but remember Durvasha's curse. Now she remembered that it is the Durvasha's curse. Besides, she had lost the ring. She knew now that the king had really forgotten her, as Durvasha had said. She was helpless. She left the palace in tears. Now, after so many explanations, she remembered that it was the king Durvasha's curse. He had cursed that unless you show, first he cursed that the person you are thinking about, that will not recognize you. He will forget you. But last, after the requesting of her father and her cry, seeing that, says Durvasha said, "Okay, if you have got something of him, if you show him, he will remember." But that ring she had lost in the river, and she did not realize that. Never she looked for. Now she is thinking of that ring is not with her, and it is very painful. So she leaves the palace with the full tears. Can you imagine? With the full expectation, full hope, she had come to the kingdom, came to the palace, but there she did not get any acceptation. She could not get what she wanted. She was lost. She was only crying. She was bitter with pain. She was sobbing, but still king did not recognize her. And she has to leave the palace with painful, in tears, and she did not know where to go and what to do. She left the palace. She returned with her people to the forest again, where the father sage Kanwa was there. Dear children, certain incident it happens in the life of many people. They expect something but doesn't happen, it occurs something else. Life is not easy as we think. We have to work hard and do. Sometimes people accept us, sometimes they reject us, sometimes they ignore us. But we should do our duty. We should learn to stand on our foot. Whole life cannot depend on one person. But of course, this is a different side when her husband doesn't recognize her, whether king or a beggar. Husband is husband. For the lady, the total support is her husband. And where he doesn't understand her, you can imagine her pain and her suffering. It's a really difficult to understand that her husband doesn't remember her. And totally refuse that I don't know you. I am not a married person. How can I forget my wife if I have married? And that marriage was done in the forest when no people know. So he has no support she could get from the public because no one knew that king was married. King was married in the forest. Marriage took place in the lonely place. Only her father Kanwa knows. So there are difficulties. So children, if anything you did not understand, you should ask me, call me up over the phone. So you can type the question on my WhatsApp and send to me, I'll answer you. Any doubt do you have? Okay, thank you children.